I'm just riding whitecaps in my kayak. Back out in the marsh. Had to camp in my truck last night and wasn't too bad actually. Had my sleeping bag and had to watch quite the light show. Camping in the truck in the middle of sandhills as a storm rolls in. So that was another first for me. That was kind of cool to see. But out here in the marsh, got 2.5 dozen decoys, 4 goose decoys, and got them tucked in pretty tight because we've got a pretty good wind supposed to hit today. It's already coming up and it's out of the right direction for once. So got some good stuff happening for us. Set up in some cattails here. Might have to move the spread around. We'll see what the birds do first thing. But it's a cool little place to hunt and hopefully we can bag some birds here. Whew. So shooting light started, I don't know, it's probably 15-20 minutes ago already. And first thing I had 3 mallards. They landed here first and they popped up and landed here and swam up that way. And I'm seeing a few flocks of ducks buzzing already. So that's why I got the divers out towards the big water. And I just pulled in a lot of my spread because I had it more out here and out this way. But I kind of put a lot more over here, a little more out of the wind. And we'll see what happens throughout the morning. Just had 2 teal come in. Yep. Yeah, they don't want to leave. There. Got one. This stuff sucks to walk. Got to be careful with my shooting today. Nice blue wing to start her off. Always nice to bag a bird on a new spot. Well, watch this stuff. Well, there's like ferns growing on it, but it's like a mat. It's like a Maui mat or whatever you call them. That's crazy. It's a good start to the morning. I'll take a teal to start her off with. So here's my spread. I kind of altered it from first thing this morning. Got the teal, got the mallards over here, just in a little more of the calmer water. And then a point comes out and it gets kind of calm here. And there's some reeds and shrubs and stuff out there. Got the diver raft closer to the big water just in case the divers buzz around. And then I've got 4 geese and some mallards mixed in here too, hugging the edge. Kind of try to look natural, make those birds look like they're getting out of the wind. Pretty crazy. Look at the fog coming off the water. It's gonna cool it down real quick. Come on. Did he just land there by himself? I think a wood duck just came. I might go try to jump him. He's just on the other side of these cattails. Found the wood duck. He startled me, but it was a nice drake. Oh my gosh. I walked down because I knew there was a big open pool and he wasn't there. So then I walked kind of this backwater, little calmer stuff. I knew he went down somewhere in here and there he is. Whew. Took 3 shots, shouldn't have. I just rushed. He startled the crap out of me. It's another nice drake woody. So we got two ducks on the day. Had to do a little sandhill sneak to get him, but we got him. I seen him, he flew right by me. I mean, I would have had to seen him a mile away just to even get in front of him with the wind. But he hooked back and he landed back in those tailwaters. And I thought he was in a big pool that I passed this morning, and he wasn't. He was in just kind of some thick cattails that had a little cut of open water, and he just startled the crap out of me. And I just rushed my first 2 shots, but the third one counted, and we got another nice drake on there. So 2 ducks. There's a duck. There's a duck. Quack, 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 quack. Gadwall. I'll take a gadwall today. He dumped right in. That's how they're supposed to work. Well, I'm 2 for 2 on decoying birds. That was gadwall. It's the eclipse drake. You can see the drake feathers coming in, but I won't be too picky today. Haven't had a lot decoy in, so 3 down, 3 different species, and not terrible shooting except on that wood duck. It was just a lone gadwall, came with the wind, saw my decoys. I didn't have time to grab my call, just did a little mouth call, and hooked her right in and wanted to land over by the divers, I think. But 1 shot and got her. We'll take that. It's a beautiful day for duck hunting. Just need a few more ducks. Yeah, there's tweet birds. Oh, these clouds burned off. Oh. Wow. Got me excited for a sec. I just saw a wood duck go back here. I bet I can guess the hole it's in. Got her. It was a hen, but that's all right. Man, they really like it right in this little hole. I'll take a pair of woodies. Good eating. A little better shooting on that wood duck. I wonder if I threw my other decoys back here. That one work? Oh, there's a deal. Oh. He got out of here in a hurry. Oh, well, when I know where they're at, I can hit them on the first shot apparently. I don't know how much longer I'm going to give it out here. This spread's obviously not much out of the wind anymore. It's really whipping up even more than it was. I think I'm going to call her. It's getting kind of late. It's going to be kind of a pain to get back with this wind. Got a kayak. I'm kayaking with the wind at least. All right, let's boogie. Whew. Little easier paddling this way, or I don't even have to. Just make sure I keep close to shore. Take me home, wind. But what I don't want, I'm just riding whitecaps in my kayak. Man, this got fun. We're making good time on the way back, I'll tell you what. Holy crap. Oh, there's some teal. I think I'm gonna call that a day. 4 ducks, a pair of wood ducks that I had to do a little sneaking on, and a teal that decoyed, and a gadwall that decoyed. Could have had another teal. 4 ducks. Little windy today, but you know, I wanted to get out. I wanted to hunt this front, and I'm not gonna complain about getting 4 ducks out here. It's a nice little fun kayak hunt. Had to work for a couple of the wood ducks, like I said, but other than that, it's another great day out in the Sandhills. Beautiful scenery once again. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to support those conservation organizations, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, Pheasants Forever, and we'll catch you out there. See ya. Bye.